Egypt is a land where time feels layered. From the air, its story unfolds not in pages, but in patterns of river and desert, stone and shadow, life and survival. This is a country shaped by extremes. Vast stretches of unforgiving desert lie beside a narrow ribbon of green that has sustained human life for thousands of years. Against all odds, one of the greatest civilizations in human history was born here, and its legacy still defines the nation today. Egypt is not simply a place of ancient ruins. It is a living landscape where the past and present exist side by side. Stretching across nearly 400,000 square miles, Egypt is the largest and most populous country in the Arab world. Yet despite its size, life has always been confined to a remarkably small area. Almost the entire nation depends on just a fraction of its land, because nearly all of Egypt is desert. From above, this contrast is impossible to ignore. Endless sands dominate the horizon, broken only by mountains, dry valleys and salt flats. Then, suddenly, the desert gives way to life. Fields appear, villages cluster together, roads follow a winding, unmistakable path. This path is the Nile. For more than 7,000 years, the River Nile has been Egypt's lifeline. Without it, there would have been no civilization here, no cities, no temples, no pyramids. The Nile turned desert into farmland, isolation into trade routes, and scattered communities into a unified nation. The river flows for over 4,000 miles, making it the longest river on Earth. But its true power lies not in its length, but in its rhythm. Each year, seasonal rains far to the south once caused the Nile to flood, depositing fertile silt across its banks. These floods transformed dry land into rich soil, allowing crops to grow in a place that would otherwise be uninhabitable. From the air, the Nile appears like a green artery running through a golden body. Nearly all of Egypt's population lives along this narrow corridor. Even today, more than 90% of Egyptians depend directly on the river for water, food, and livelihood. This dependence is ancient. When early Egyptians first settled along the Nile, they learned to read its moods, its rising waters, its retreat, its promise of abundance or disaster. Over generations, this knowledge became the foundation of a powerful civilization. They learned not only how to survive here, but how to build. Nowhere is that ambition more visible than on the Giza Plateau,